In this video, I'll show you how I turn one simple idea into finished content using Simplified. No tricks, no hacks, just a simple workflow that anyone can follow. A lot of people struggle with content because they start from a blank page every single time. That's exhausting. Not because you can't write, but because you're starting in the wrong place. You don't need to write from scratch. You need something to work with. And that's where Simplified helps. First, I don't try to write the final content. I start with a short brief. Just a few clear sentences about the topic. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs direction. Then I generate multiple variations, not one, several. And this is important. The goal isn't to get the perfect version on the first try. The goal is to have options. Now I slow down. I read through them. I pick the one that feels closest to what I want. And this is where the real work starts. I'm not writing, I'm editing. I shorten sentences. I simplify ideas. I adjust the tone. Now it becomes mine. From this single piece of content, I can later create a post, a short video script, or even an email. But it all starts with one idea. That's why I say, Simplified doesn't replace you. It removes the blank page and gives you a starting point. If you want to stop starting from zero and start building a system instead, this is the way. In the next videos, I'll show you how I use this content for real projects. And remember, right, you're not trying to be perfect. You're building consistency.